Back with another Maya tips and tricks video. So you're about to UV. I just want to share how I like to UV things. So how do we typically do this? For me, a lot of people will just go to like UV editor and then it'll pop like a little window, a little pop-up window that'll pop out. I actually prefer having it right next to my perspective window. So I'll go panels, saved layouts, and these are just default saved layouts. These aren't my personal ones. And then you just go perspective UV editor. And as long as you don't have a popped out window, don't mind my UVs, haven't UV yet, um, you'll have a second window that will pop up to the right. Now, you also might have something to the right here. What I like to do is I like to actually use the UV toolkit. So by default, I'm positive here is but I could be wrong. That you won't have that in this right side of your screen. So what you'll do is you want to go to tools, show UV toolkit, and what's going to happen is it's again going to pop out as a window that you can move around while you're doing your UVs and using these UV tools. But what I like to do is I like to actually move that, slide that to the right so that now it's attached to the right side. So as long as I save this Maya scene and exit it and restart it, it's going to save this preference for me and this layout. And so I love having, I'll be able to select something quickly, use these tools, whether it's unfold, creating new UVs, all those things on the right side for me. Again, this is all personal preference. This is just me kind of sharing how I liked to work. Hopefully that helps.